Alright, what's going on? We're back with another video. This video is basically going to be me explaining why I like my car, and I'm probably going to throw in a few clips of me driving. But yeah, this is going to be a short video and hope you guys enjoy. I like it though because it's comfortable. It basically fits my needs. It's not fast, but also it's not slow. It's quick, especially with the parts that I have got done. So yeah, that makes it much better. It is reliable. Of course, it's a Honda. It's not bad to kind of like fix it up and do what you guys would want to do, and the parts ain't really that much expensive, so you could kind of like build a whole car for a certain amount. You guys should look into the SIs, look into the 11th gens. Even if it's not an SI, you could probably still get a 1.5 or even a 2.0. Do the cosmetic stuff, lower it, put some wheels, have it still look nice. And as you can see, the car still looks good. Even though it is a little dusty, I am gonna wash it, but the car does pop a lot, especially the way you customize it. So when I first got the car, I was like, oh, I'm gonna put these type of wheels, do this, do that, and look, I basically have what I spoke. I also really like the seats too. The seats are comfortable. It says it does have a Type R. He did drop a video, so I'll put that in the link in the description. But I would get a Type R, but at the same time, I do not like those bucket seats. I feel like I'm like squishing the seats. I like more of the loose fit type seats, like the SI. If you guys want to see the Type R, go ahead and let me know. I'll put it on my channel and showcase what's the difference between the SI and his Type R. They're both modded, they're both lowered, they both have parts. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. But I hope me showing my car makes you guys enjoy these cars more, or makes you want to get one. You should. It's a cool car. But that's probably gonna be it for me talking. It is hot, as you can see, the sun glaring, so I'm probably just include the driving clips now. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm out. Peace. All right, let's get into it so you guys can kind of hear how it sounds. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and just do the drive now, so we could, you guys can hear how it sounds. So it sounds pretty cool. It's a lot more aggressive than how it was, but yeah, as you guys can tell. Kind of want to like show you guys how it sounds. It is a little more sunny outside. I am on coilover, so I do got to go a little slow on the side dips and all that, but overall it's pretty clean. I ain't gonna lie. All right, now let's go. I'll probably just go this way. Gotta put that shit so people can know where I'm going. So it is like you get the loud pops and bangs. So it is pretty cool though. Let's do another one right here.